Hey everyone, welcome to Neuro Review. Today we're reviewing the OPPO Find X9 Ultra, one of the most exciting flagship phones of 2026.
This phone looks absolutely premium. Let's start with the design.
The Find X9 Ultra has a stunning curved glass back with a beautiful matte finish.
Look at the craftsmanship on this camera module. The brushed metal and tactile leather give the Find X9 Ultra an unmatched premium feel.
Available in elegant colors, Diz Black, Silver, and a stunning green edition. OPPO Find X9 Ultra.
Now let's talk about the display. It has a massive 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED screen.
Experience the 120Hz refresh rate with ultra-bright 3000 nits peak brightness. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, perfect for watching movies and gaming. Under the hood, it's powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Combined with up to 16GB RAM and 512GB storage, this thing flies.
Multitasking and heavy gaming feel buttery smooth.
Now the main highlight, the camera system. Introducing the OPPO Find X9 Ultra, featuring an advanced quad camera system tuned by Hasselblad. Featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and 2 periscope telephoto lenses, this is the new OPPO Find X9 Ultra. Zoom quality is insane, up to 10x optical quality zoom.
Low-light photography is excellent. Colors are natural and detailed.
Portrait shots look stunning, with beautiful bokeh effect.
This is the OPPO Find X9 Ultra. The 4K video recording with excellent stabilization truly sets a new standard for mobile cinematography.
Battery life is impressive, even 5700 mAh battery with 80W fast charging. It easily lasts a full day with heavy use. Charging from 0 to 100% takes around 35 minutes. Software experience is clean with ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. Introducing the OPPO Find X9 Ultra. OPPO promises 6 years of major OS updates. AI features are well implemented, smart summarization, and image editing.
The speakers are incredibly loud and clear, offering great stereo separation. This is the new OPPO Find X9 Ultra.
Haptic feedback is one of the best in the market.
Now let's talk about the downsides. The phone is quite heavy and large, not ideal for one-handed use.
The new OPPO Find X9 Ultra combines cutting-edge features with a premium design. The price starts at around $999, going up to $1,199.
No official IP69 rating, like some competitors. Heating can be noticed during long gaming sessions.
Let's summarize the pros and cons.
Outstanding cameras, beautiful display, fast charging, premium build.
Heavy design, high price, average gaming thermals. So for the final verdict, is the OPPO Find X9 Ultra worth buying? Yes, absolutely.
If you want one of the best camera phones in 2026 with premium feel, the OPPO Find X9 Ultra is a fantastic choice.
If you want one of the best camera phones in 2026 with premium feel, the OPPO Find X9 Ultra is a fantastic choice. Thank you for watching Neural Review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.